Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, let's explore two ways to access your iCloud Drive on your iPhone. First, open a web browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign into your iCloud account, select iCloud Drive, and browse through your files like PDFs and documents. Alternatively, download the Files app from the App Store, sign in with your Apple ID, and you'll see iCloud Drive and your recently deleted files. Navigate through the folders to access documents directly on your iPhone. Whether through Safari or the Files app, iCloud gives you quick access to your files anytime and anywhere. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.